The 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, dual airbags, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, aluminum wheels, floor mats, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, center armrest. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.